Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a part 2 for opening a Hot Wheels Case H. This is a second case. I did get an additional one because I really wanted to get the Super that's in the Case H, so I went ahead and just got another one. So here we are with another Case H unboxing. So we're going to go ahead and cut this open, and then I'm going to carefully lay it on its side, and we're going to start pulling out all the cars. And I really hope I can get the Super from this case because I collect a lot of golf cars, and I really want that Golf Glory Chaser. So let me just carefully lay it on its side. There we go. Alrighty. And let me go ahead and start off on the top. Oh, they're kind of stuck in here. There we go. Got the first three. So we got Batmobile, Fiat 500e, and the Batman Forever Batmobile. Alright, Baja Bison, 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, and the 88 Honda CRX. Mazda Ripu, Mustang NHRA Funny Car, and Rockin' Railer. Alright, 2023 Nissan Z, Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and Hot Wheel 4-Track. Fast Feline, 70 Dodge Charger, it's a tuned one from the Fast and the Furious. And then Rally Speciale. '89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, 1988 Jeep Wagoneer, and 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Alright, Hot Wheels 4 Transit Connect, Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, also from Fast and the Furious, and then Gotta Go. I got the Pagani Zonda R, 71 Plymouth GTX, and Skate Grom. Another Batman Forever Batmobile, Bone Shaker, and Dodge Van. Diora 3, Bricking Trails, and Lamborghini Sion FKP 37. It's also the 60th anniversary from Lamborghini. We did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. Alright, so there's a Tesla Model Y, but right there, there's the Glory Chaser. That is what would have been the Super Treasure Hunt, so that's what I was really hoping for. The regular one still looks really awesome and such a cool car, but man, I'm really hoping I can get that Super, especially to add to my whole collection. I have all the other Golf Supers. I do have some previous videos that show that, but well, maybe next time. Maybe I'll get another case. We'll see. We also got the Cloak and Dagger. But there is still a chance for a regular treasure hunt, so we'll see if we get that. Got a Cloud Cutter, Honda CB750 Cafe, and Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. Alright, that's the first half of the case. Oh, they're kind of like wedged in here. Really weird. Alright, cards are kind of falling here. There we go. 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, Batman Forever Batmobile, and the Baja Bison T5. And the Fiat 500e, Mustang NHRA Funny Car, and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. I got the Rock and Railer, 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, and Mazda Repu. Alright, 88 Honda CRX, Hot Wheel 4-track, and Batmobile. Alright, Fast Feline, 18 Dodge Charger SRT Demon, and Rally Speciale. Alright, 2023 Nissan Z, 1988 Jeep Wagoneer, and 70 Dodge Charger, another tune from the Fast and the Furious. Alright, Batmobile. I'm not going to read that whole name because it's huge, but the Pro Street Thunderbird and Hot Wheels High. And we got the regular treasure hunt. Okay, at least it all wasn't for nothing. So we got that Ducati 1199 Panigale. And as you can see, there's the little treasure hunt logo in black right there. And then I don't know if you can really see any of the text behind the car or behind the motorcycle. But that right there is the regular treasure hunt for the H case. And I actually did in a previous case opening, it was a Hot Wheels black box. I got an error variant of that. So you can see there's no fuel tank, there's no handlebars. And then where the rivet should be, it's just a hole that goes straight through the car. So that's pretty crazy. So you can kind of see the one I just got and then the error car. So definitely go check out that video and see if you guys can spot that, because I didn't even notice until after I did the case unboxing that I actually had the errors, maybe a couple days later. So definitely those videos are cool to go back and check out. But let's finish the rest of this case. Got the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and then the Star Wars X34 Land Speeder. Alright, Tesla Model Y, Solar Reflex, and the Cool Combi. Alright, so got Roller Toaster, 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, and Teed Off 2. Alright, 70 Dodge Power Wagon, Baja Hauler, and Group C Fantasy. And the last three for the case, we got the BMW i8 Roadster, we got Twinduction, and the 72 Ford Ranchero. So if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. I will have a lot more videos in the future, other case unboxings, got a lot more coming up. Every single time a new case comes out, I do get one. In this case, I get two. As you can see, I have all these Amazon black boxes, so I tend to get a bunch of those. If you guys do want to pick up an Amazon black box, there's going to be a link in the description down below, so definitely go check that out. But like I said, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, our other cars coming soon, like more RLCs, as well as even some like Matchbox exclusives. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.